Hello everyone, I am so excited to invite you to come paint with me in Wisconsin. It's going to be August 3rd and 4th, and you can sign up for one day or both days. We'll be painting at the most magical place. It's the Octagon Barn. It's in southwestern Wisconsin, and we'll be surrounded by these incredible hills and flower gardens and just expansive skies. The views are amazing, and we'll be painting inside next to these gigantic doors, so it will feel like we're outside and we'll have these views, and then we'll be able to connect and really share, and I'll take you through my process from start to finish. So I will show you how I cover up the white space with layering color and really loosening up, and then I'll show you how I add my animals or women and paint eyes and faces and then make everything fit together. So we'll really be painting all day. There will be time for lunch, there will be a catered lunch, and then the rest of the day will be all about painting and creating and making friendships and connecting, and I'll take you outside so that we can sketch a bit in the gardens. I hope you can join me. If you have any questions, I will have a link below so that you can sign up and find all the details. And yeah, I just can't wait to share this magical place with you. So I hope you can join me.